Hi there, my name is Sayed. In this video, we will learn how to create SAP pricing, how to create SAP condition record via T-code VK11. So before we get started, I would just like to mention we have other videos on this topic available in this channel. I will just mention few videos appear on the screen, how to find SAP pricing and check pricing if pricing condition is deleted. So you can see that how your pricing condition is deleted in this video, and you can find how to find the pricing. So these are the two videos I would like to mention. So let's get started with the video, how to create pricing condition record. So the T code is VK11. I will just enter this in, and here we have a create condition record on the middle of the screen. You can see that, and what kind of condition record you are trying to save, what kind of pricing you're trying to save. That is a standard pricing is of this information coming from this condition type PR00. And after you enter this in, or you can drop down and find, and I will just press enter. Key combination. What is a key combination? It's basically a different combination of different component for your pricing for coming to your sales order. So for example, if I just pick only material, and if this material come into the sales order, it will pick up the pricing from this condition record. And if I select a different material number and a batch number, so based on this batch number and the material number, this pricing will pick up into the order. So that combination is there, but this is just only one option available for this pricing to be created. And so I will just say choose up here. So in the first screen, you can see create pricing condition PR00 fast entry is meaning that you can have multiple material number at a time. And so you can enter this in, and I will just do the minimum entries, and rest of the entries will automatically copy. For example, I'm selecting this material number, and the amount is, I would just put 1900, for example. And what is important for this pricing to be created, what is this pricing is valid from. So for example, if you are creating this pricing is valid for a month, if it is valid for a year, if it is valid for a quarter, whatever it is that you need to select, you can select from. So I can select from, for example, let's say I would say September 1st and valid to October 31st. So that is a valid from and valid to date coming in that I selected for this pricing to be valid for. And look, I'm not entering the rest of the fields. I will just press enter up here, and based on to the material information, what is currency, what is unit or measure, is automatically coming into this or in this creation screen. So as we can see that pricing is information is everything is saved. What I have to do is just click on save, and on the bottom of the left side of the screen, you can see condition record saved. So that's it. That is it. You have created the pricing condition record, and that's how it is simple it is. If you would like to enter multiple at a time, multiple material number, you can copy paste and bring them in, and you can do this with the amount. So in another video I can do that. I can show you how to create this, and you can copy paste that. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a feedback. Thank you very much.